Yeah, hi. So it's Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know that I've done your laser part for you, and it's all working as it should be. So basically, I've taken it apart, checked it. The cogs are nice and good. There's zero play in them at all, and the micro switch is all nice and clean for you. The board looks good. No fat caps in there that are anything to worry about. So basically, it had the original laser in there. So I've changed the original laser for you. Put a new one in there for you. I'm just giving it a check over. That's your part there. Right, unfortunately, because I've got headphone issues with my system, I can't get any sound out. I can hear it on headphones, so it's working 100%, no problems at all. It's just the headphones I've got on my system are stuffed, and I really need to get these sorted out. But yeah, it's all working as it should be. So you got your 6 month warranty on that, of course. Any problems, just give me a shout, and I'll be more than happy to get them sorted for you. Get it sorted for you. All right. One thing I did notice, you put there was two little parts left in there. They're like little black plugs that go in here underneath. So what? There was only two in there that I could actually see. I'll look in the box just in case any more have fallen out. But they hold the part on. Okay, so you need to be getting these put back in the way they come out. But I'll put them in a little bag for you. Okay, so they don't get lost. But there's only two actually in the part here. But I'll send them back for you. Okay. So yeah, as soon as we get payment, I'll send it straight out for you. So you should have it within the next sort of 24 hours. So thank you ever so much. So really appreciate your business, and hope you'll get it back together quick and without any issues. Thank you.